Welcome to Car Insights, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specifications, and all the features you need to know about the latest vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V, a luxury SUV that combines power, performance, and cutting-edge technology to redefine what an SUV can be. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade V is the high-performance version of Cadillac's flagship SUV. It's designed for those who crave an adrenaline rush while maintaining the comfort and luxury expected from the Escalade. At its core is a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an impressive 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse ensures breathtaking acceleration, taking this massive SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, a remarkable feat for its size and weight. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Escalade V offers smooth power delivery and excellent handling, whether on highways or winding roads. Beyond its incredible performance, the Escalade V is a showcase of luxury and sophistication. The exterior features bold design elements that set it apart from the standard Escalade. It has a unique V-Series front grille, quad exhaust tips, and 22-inch wheels that enhance its aggressive stance. The lighting system is equally impressive, with vertical LED headlights and taillights that not only improve visibility but also add to its striking appearance. Inside, the 2025 Escalade V offers a spacious and meticulously crafted cabin. Premium materials like leather, real wood, and aluminum trim create an environment of pure luxury. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. Passengers in all three rows enjoy ample space, making it an ideal vehicle for families or groups. The attention to detail in the interior design is complemented by advanced technology, which takes center stage in this SUV. The Escalade V features a massive 38-inch curved OLED display that stretches across the dashboard. This cutting-edge screen delivers vibrant colors and high resolution, serving as the central hub for the SUV's infotainment and driver assistance systems. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A state-of-the-art AKG Studio reference sound system with 36 speakers provides an immersive audio experience, ensuring that every drive feels like a concert. Safety and convenience are paramount in the Escalade V. Cadillac has equipped it with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The SUV also offers Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driving technology, which works on compatible highways and adds a layer of convenience for long-distance travel. Night vision and a rear-view camera mirror further enhance safety, making it easier to navigate in low-visibility conditions. The Escalade V doesn't compromise on practicality, either. It offers impressive towing capacity, making it suitable for hauling boats or trailers. With the rear seats folded, the cargo space is expansive, providing plenty of room for luggage or gear. Whether you're heading on a road trip or tackling daily errands, the Escalade V delivers versatility alongside its luxury and performance. Fuel efficiency may not be its strongest suit, given the powerful engine, but for those seeking a vehicle in this category, the trade-off is expected. Cadillac has ensured that the performance and luxury features more than justify the fuel consumption. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade V is a testament to Cadillac's ability to innovate and push boundaries. It combines breathtaking power with refined luxury, advanced technology, and everyday practicality. Whether you're looking for a high-performance SUV or a luxurious family vehicle, the Escalade V delivers on all fronts. Thank you for tuning into Car Insights. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, features, and specs, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the most detailed and honest insights about cars from every segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help us grow and continue providing quality content. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the